Assalamu alaikum dear students and welcome back to YouTube lectures brought to you by CM's Model Boys High Secondary School Kofara. Well, I'm back again with another video lecture. You must be wondering why I did not discuss the uses of present simple tense in the previous lecture. Actually, had I discussed, the video would have, the size of the video would have gone really high, and it really becomes difficult to upload such videos when you are on a 2G network. So today I shall be discussing the uses of present simple tense and present continuous tense. The structure and the use of present continuous tense as well. So let's start. First, let's go to the main topic. Today's topic is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is also known as present progressive tense. Progressive tense. Actually, this present continuous tense is used for ongoing actions, but ongoing actions at the time of speaking, that means ongoing actions of present time. We speak about those actions when they are continuous, when they are progressive. All right? So take an example. He is driving. He is driving. They are playing cricket. In both the sentences, he is driving, they are playing cricket. You see, the actions are happening actually at the time of speaking. So, present continuous tense includes all those actions that are continuous at present time. So let's go to the structure. First we will see affirmative case. Affirmative case. The structure goes like subject plus is, am, are plus verb in its progressive form. I will write verb then ing form. Now here comes another term. This is generally called as be. Is, am, are. Let me tell you, am is used with are. Is used with he, she, or name, any other name. He is, she is, or any name is. Faizan is. Then are is used with you. The interesting thing about you is this you is singular as well as plural. If you say, why are you late? Pointing to a singular person, why are you late? If you are asking this question to a group of boys, why are you late? So you is singular as well as plural. Are is used with you, and then they, we. All right? So here it is, am, and are. Now, if you have the subject I, you have to use am. I'm talking about present continuous tense. If you have subject he or she or any other name, you have to use is. Now, if your subject is you, they, or we, you have to make use of primary auxiliary verb are. So all these three are primary auxiliaries, right? So let's take an example. Back to it. We, from these three, you have to opt are. We are reading. Here is the subject. Here is the primary auxiliary. And you have read is the root verb. You have added ing to it. All right. So this is how we write affirmative sentences in progressive form. Now, moving to negative forms. Let me tell you again, together, affirmative sentences and negative sentences are known as assertive sentences. As we see in case of mathematics, all positive and negative numbers are known as integers. Right? Now moving to negative numbers. You know, in negative sentences. So, you know, in negative sentences, we make use of not. Take the example. They are not playing cricket. They are not playing cricket. So what we actually do, we do not put this not to the subject. Instead, we put this in front of primary auxiliary. So the structure goes like subject plus is, am, or are plus not plus verb in its ing form. Take another example. He is not reading a book. He is not reading a book. This is another example. He is subject, is the primary auxiliary, and then we have added not to it, and then root verb with ing form. This makes it present progressive tense. Right. Now, we have discussed assertive sentences in present continuous tense. Now let's have a look at the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. I am playing cricket. I am not playing cricket. These are two examples of assertive sentences. One is affirmative and the other one is negative. Now, if I am intending to change it to interrogative case, how will it go? Look, first I will take an example in affirmative form. I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. Now change it to interrogative form. What we do, we simply place this primary auxiliary before the subject. This will go like, am I playing cricket? Am I playing cricket? Don't forget to put this mark, which is known as note of interrogation, at the end of the sentence, because this is the sole identity of interrogative sentences. Recall my first lecture. In that lecture, I had already told you that these auxiliaries actually, primary auxiliaries as well as modals, they are used to make negative forms as in the previous case, and they are used to make questions. They are used to make interrogative sentences. So here it is. Am I playing cricket? Take another example. Are they working in the field? Are they working in the field? Once again, this agreement has to be followed while making interrogative sentences. Are they? Am I? All right. So are they working in the field? This is interrogative case. Now let's take a look at negative interrogative cases. Negative interrogative cases. Such sentences where you find use of not and a question. And a question. Look. You are driving fast. You are driving fast. This is affirmative sentence. My markers are running out of ink. You are driving fast. Now, if you make a negative sentence, you will write, you are not driving fast. In the same way, if you make an interrogative case, you will write like, are you driving fast? Are you driving fast? Now, if together you are intending to make it a negative interrogative case, you will write it like, are you not driving fast? Are you not driving fast? Once again, for negative interrogative sentences, we put a note of interrogation at the end of the sentence. So, there is one more way to write. You can write, aren't you driving fast? So the structure goes like, is, am, are, and then use of not, then subject, then verb in its ing form, and a note of interrogation. Or the second way of writing is, am, are, then subject, then not, and then you have to put verb in ing form with note of interrogation. All right. So this is about present continuous tense. Now, where do we use it? I already told you a bit about it. It's used for ongoing actions at present. But sometimes what happens, that's the thing to be remembered. Sometimes we write or we say some sentences from which we mean future. We mean to show future actions. Let me write a sentence here. I am going to Delhi. I'm going to Delhi. Look at the structure. Subject, be, and then verb in its ing form. So, this seems to be a present continuous tense, but it's not. From present continuous tense, we sometimes mean future actions. Or we can say, I am visiting you tomorrow. This, once again, from the structure, it looks like it's a present continuous tense, but it's not. So such kinds of sentences can be understood while having a conversation, and you can make a difference. All right. So in general, present continuous tenses are used for ongoing actions. So those actions which are continuous at the time of speaking. All right. This is about present continuous tense. So moving to the remaining part of present simple tense, the use of present simple tense. Present simple tense is used for routine actions or your routine exercise. If I say, I brush my teeth daily. I brush my teeth daily, subject and then the root verb in its first form. I brush my teeth daily. So this is a routine. Those routine actions are shown by making use of present simple tense. All right? Routine. Or I can say present routine. So the first use is for showing present routine. Number 2, it's used for short actions. Short actions. Present simple tense is used to indicate short actions. Take an example. I look at the sky. I look at the sky. It's cloudy. I look at the sky. At the sky. It is cloudy. So, subject and then root verb. This is a short action. You will not have to say, I'm looking at the sky. You look at the sky, or I look at my watch. It's 12 p.m. Okay? Under short actions, you have one more thing, that's commentary. Commentary. As you say, the bowler runs away from us, crosses the umpire, bows to someone, bows to a batsman. He hits him and hits him hard, and the ball goes away for a 6. So look at the verbs. Runs, bowls, hits, goes. These all are the cases of present simple tense where the verb has been modified. S or es is added to the root verb. So this commentary is also a short action. So for short actions, this present simple tense is used. Now, one more case, as we saw in case of present continuous tense, some sentences are there that are used to indicate future. In the same way, some travel agents make use of sentences which actually seem to be present simple tenses, but they indicate future. Actually, if you have seen a person, or if you have heard a person, mostly travel agents or guides, saying, today we go to Shalimar, we book a restaurant, we stay there, and tomorrow we move back to Delhi. Root verbs are used, but the meaning actually is of future. So these sometimes this present simple tenses are also used to indicate future. So this was all about present continuous tense and the remaining case of present simple tense. Hope you watched the lesson, and thanks for watching.